my dear colleagues, thank you so much for all the hard work you're doing. I'm here today to help you a little bit and make your life slightly easier by showing you how to clean these lovely coffee machines. So first of all, you open it and we have to rinse it through. Just press the button 0 and wait it to do the job. Once it's done, you are ready to take the parts out. So carefully remove these bits. There we go. And click the green bit and just remove them. They comes off quite easily. Coffee, milk, and the chocolate powder. And also this part. Be careful with this because it's going to have lots of hot water. We'll have to wash all these parts. You can do either in the sink or in the dishwasher. Either way is good. So the next step is to clean the coffee machine. Make sure we remove all the excess chocolate and coffee and milk powder from there. So now we have to fill up the coffee, milk powder and chocolate. Make sure you don't mix them up. So coffee is for coffee, the red stuff. Okay. Just leave a little gap, don't fill it just up to the top. Okay. Milk powder, usually in a white packet. So now when it's all done, we are ready to put the coffee machine back together. So when you put the parts back in, make sure they're all dry. This one. Then you take coffee, and there's this little hole in there. So you have to make sure that this goes into there. Okay? It's going to be a little bit tricky, but you'll get it. Go. Okay, and now we have to put these thingies back on. One is longer and one is shorter. The short one goes for the chocolate and the milk powder here. Okay. Make sure you click the green thingies on. And the long one goes for the coffee. And also these three parts. So two of them has a smaller opening and the one bigger. So this one is for the milk powder and these two for chocolate and coffee. First, the chocolate, okay, facing that direction. Coffee, facing that way, and then for the milk. Okay. And wipe it and close it, and it's all done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll find it helpful, but if you still have any questions or difficulties, please don't hesitate and see your team leader, and I'm sure they'll be happy to help you. Thank you.